I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by defining the letter's purpose and feeding precise inputs to the AI. This matters because clarity yields relevant output. Give recipient context, desired tone, and 3 key facts, then set constraints like 250 words or email format. Once done, run a short prompt asking for an outline and 2 alternate opening lines. This gets you structure immediately. Make sure to label sensitive points and preferred examples because the model will mirror them and save you revision time later. You now transform the outline into a full draft by asking the AI to expand each section with concrete details and transitions. This helps flow and preserves intent. Request 2 tonal variants, formal and conversational, so you can compare voice immediately. Once done, ask for a concise 2-sentence summary to check focus, then perform targeted edits. Tighten phrasing, swap vague claims for specifics, and ensure the closing contains a clear next step. This reduces back and forth later. You finish by polishing the draft. Read aloud, confirm facts, and adjust tone so the letter sounds like you. Then export the preferred format, PDF for print or an email template with a subject line and signature block, so it's ready to send. If the AI produces errors or awkward phrasing, give concise corrections and request a revised passage. This targeted feedback corrects mistakes quickly. One troubleshooting tip: when responses drift, resupply 3 exact sentences you like and ask the model to match them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.